Alright, so this is another tutorial on how to design a YouTube logo. We are going to design a YouTube logo using the AutoCAD. Alright, it's very simple, so let's try and get it and then we start. Now you can see at the four corners we are having a circle, all having the same radius. First one, all the radius are the same, so we have 26.8, all of them are the same, and we're having an arc. 380 mm, the same thing here, and at this side we are having 150 radius, okay, mm, the same thing over here. Now the distance between the circle, the vertical one is 51.2 mm, and then the horizontal one is 86.5 mm. We have the triangle in the center. Okay, so let's start by drawing the circles. The diameter is 26.8 mm. So let's open our AutoCAD. Mine is already open. So we take the circle command and we draw anywhere with the radius of 26.8. So we enter 26.8. Press the enter. It's very small, so you can zoom. Okay. Now we will copy to the other side. Let's check the distance. It's 51.2. So we will not draw the circle again, just copy, select. You can take the copy from here. It will ask you specify base point, so it's from the center, okay, which is 51.2. so we will enter the 51.2. No, I think I made a mistake. Let's delete and then start again. So we copy from the center here. It's 51.2. No, I think there's a problem somewhere. Let me check. 51.2 center this, and then maybe the circle might be too big. Let's check the measurements. We have radius is 26.8. okay, sorry, it's the diameter. The diameter is 26.8, not radius. So unless we work on that, so let's take the circle again and then we type D, or we click on this D. One diameter to be 26.8, so 26.8. okay, so now we can copy. We click on the copy command to move it 51.2. good, now we have it. So let's check the horizontal distance, which is 86.5. so we select all and copy again. So copy from here, make sure it's straight. 86.5, is that right? Yeah, 86.5, and then it didn't work for us. Okay, let's enter. Alright, so we have it now. The arc here, we have a bigger arc here, which is 380 radius. So we go to the tan radius, which I've already shown you, and then you click here, and get 380 till 380. You press enter, you have it. Now you trim. Use the command. I normally use the shortcut, which is TR. Yeah, TR. I enter TR and I press enter. I trim, or you can also select from this side, it's the same thing, and I trim. Now we will offset, or we are going to mirror this arc over here. So for us to do that, we need a center line. Okay, we need a center line before we can mirror. So let's draw one line from this side to this side. Good, and then we select this and we mirror. So we select the middle part, click, and then we select no. Okay, so now remaining the arc over here, the arc here is 150. So we go to tan radius we click, we enter 150, we press enter. Now let's trim this side. Good. We are going to mirror this one as well, so we can draw a line again to help us mirror. Alright, so select this one, we go to the mirror command, and then we click and select no. Good. Now we can delete this one. Let's delete that. Alright, we will leave this line for now because it will help us draw this triangle. Now let's try drawing a triangle. We have one side 35.6, all the three sides are the same, so let's take a line, draw 35.6. now we enter. Oh, good. Now because all the sides are the same, we are going to offset this one also 35.6, so we go to offset, we enter 35.6. Alright, so that we get it here. Good. Now let's take a line and then join it to the center of this line, and we bring it back again. Good. Now you can delete this line. Now we have to make sure it's in the center of this line. Okay, so what we can do, or the easiest way we can do, is take the line, then you connect all the points. You take the line command again, connect it to this side. You take the line command again from here to this center. Good. Now you select all, make sure you select all the lines, and then remove it. So you move from this midpoint to the center of this line. Okay, now after you get it, you can delete this line, you don't need this one, and then the internal lines as well, you don't need it. Now you have to trim these circles as well. Good. So I like using the shortcut, so for the trim I use TR, and yeah, so that is our logo. If you want to make it a little bit bigger, you go to the line thickness, and that's what your YouTube logo looks like. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and if you have any question, you leave it in the comment section below and I'll attend to it. Thanks you for watching. Have a nice day. See you another time.